This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open your browser, go to Metamask. EO and click Download to choose the browser extension. Add Metamask to Chrome or Firefox and pin the Fox icon for quick access. Create a new wallet when prompted, then create a strong password of at least 8 characters. Metamask will show a 12-word secret recovery phrase once. Write down the 12-word secret recovery phrase on paper and store it offline. Verify the phrase by selecting each word in the correct order during setup. Treat the secret recovery phrase as the key to your funds. Never type it into websites or save it in email or cloud storage. Never store your 12-word secret recovery phrase online or in cloud storage, and do not take screenshots. For durable protection, use a fireproof safe, metal backup, or stamped plate to store the phrase physically. Do not share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, and beware of phishing. Metamask will never ask for the full phrase in normal support flows. To receive crypto, copy your public address from the account name menu and paste it into the sender app or exchange. Always check the copied address before sending. Copy your public address to receive tokens and check it before pasting to avoid address errors. When testing a new wallet, start with a small test transfer, like to confirm the address and gas settings. Use the network drop-down to switch between Ethereum and testnets or other networks, and confirm gas fees before approving transactions in Metamask.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.